Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on iPhone and iPad. Encountering the problem when your Wi-Fi network is not showing up on your iPhone or iPad can be frustrating, but fear not. This concise guide will ease you your Wi-Fi woes. Whether it's a sweet swipe to refresh your network connection or deeper dive into DNS settings, we'll steer you through simple yet effective solution to restore your device Wi-Fi visibility. Each step targets the potential culprits behind the common yet bewildering issue. No stone is left unturned in our mission to mend your missing Wi-Fi. Buckle up and let's set your digital world spinning once more. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is refresh network with quick toggles. A simple and effective first step in resolving the invisible Wi-Fi network issues involves using iPhone's control center. By swiping down to access this, you can easily toggle your Wi-Fi and airplane mode on and off. This acts as a refresh for your network connection and can often help your device to identify Wi-Fi networks in its vicinity. For instance, if your favorite coffee shop's Wi-Fi doesn't show up, just swipe down and tap on the Wi-Fi and airplane icon to refresh, and same for the Wi-Fi, and you are done. And the next step is dive into Wi-Fi settings. Next, make a beeline to your iOS settings app for a deeper network analysis. For this, go to settings and navigate to Wi-Fi settings and tap on the eye icon adjacent to the Wi-Fi network you were previously connected to. Here you can access more options and settings if you have been grappling with the stubborn Wi-Fi network that refused to appear on the list. Forget this network will be your next move. This effectively removes the network from your device memory and allows a fresh start. Additionally, verify that IP and DNS settings are configured to automatic. Manual settings may be hindering your Wi-Fi connection. And you are done. And the next step is restart devices. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and slide to power off. Wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is update iOS software. Ensuring your iOS device is up to date and is a crucial step in maintaining smooth and seamless network connectivity. To do this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If an update is available, download it and allow your device to restart post the download. This not only ensures you have the latest software but also often resolve various connectivity issue, and you are done. And the next step is reset your iOS network settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then choose reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings. Remember, post the reset, you will need to log back your Wi-Fi network. This fresh start often resolves lingering network issues, putting an end to your Wi-Fi visibility problems, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Wi-Fi not showing up on iPhone and iPad. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.